Well, hello and happy Mardi Gras to you. As some people call today Fat Tuesday, but it's also called Pancake Day. And guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to make some exciting pancakes for you. I'm making Mardi Gras mac and cheese pancakes. Let's do it. I'm going to start by cooking the noodles in a box of mac and cheese, as well as some andouille sausage. In a mixing bowl, I need 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, some smoked paprika, some Cajun seasoning, and some Creole seasoning. Mix it together and set it aside. In another bowl, I need 2 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk that together. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to stir and combine it. Add in the macaroni and mix in 2 cups of cheese. Heat that griddle up. It's pancake time. Flip. Plate it up. And top it with some andouille sausage. Mardi Gras mac and cheese pancakes. I'm ready to try these things. It's a creamy, cheesy pancake. Ooh, cheese is wonderful. The spice that's in that pancake, superb. Wow, this is a wonderful pancake, perfect for this time of year. I love Pancake Day, and I love Mardi Gras. Let the celebrations continue. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. Why is a pancake the perfect Halloween costume? Because it gives people the creeps.